Hey you guys, it's Peter and welcome to my channel, Peter. Boom, 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 boom. Review stuff. And today we're going to do a little episode. It's so dark in here. Look at my face. It's so dark. We're going to do a little episode called Cooking with Peter. Are you ready? So, are you excited? Can you do the shimmy? Can you do the shrug? Can you do the shimmy? Can you do the shrug? Can you do the shimmy? Can you do the shrug? Can you do the shimmy? Can you do the shrug? I want to give a little shout out today to my kind of nephew, who is my cousin's son, David. And I found out yesterday he still watches all of my review videos. So, thank you. Thank you, David. I really appreciate it. Okay, let's get this video. Today we're going to do a little episode called Cooking with Peter. And this is like my 5th video in a row that I have filmed, and I'm losing my mind. So anyway, and our refrigerator is completely stocked, and so is our pantry, and my husband cleaned all of it out today. So is all of this up here. Okay, I found these when I was at the grocery store, oh god, I don't know, 4 or 5 nights ago. When there was nothing else there, I found these little pancake cups that I had never seen before. And they are called Aunt Jemima Pancake on the Go. Have you guys seen these? I have never seen these before, but listen, I have never said goodbye to a pancake, okay? I love pancakes so much. I love pancakes, I love French toast, I love waffles, I love any of the pastries, the breakfast pastries. Anyway, the breakfast patriots. The breakfast patriots. So this is one, and this is buttermilk and maple flavor right here. If you can see it. Beauty influence for the world here. It's in the camera box. This is my new camera. And then this is Aunt Jemima Pancake on the Go chocolate chip. This is new, it says. Oh my god, is this one new? They're both new. We need a thumbnail. That is totally my thumbnail. That was so fun. Thank you, David. Okay, so we're going to get into this today. I'm going to make them both. I need my readers on, okay? Because I'm old and I can't read these things on here. Anyway, I just want to say thank you guys to all of you out there that are like watching my videos on this channel or all my channels, but are just like, your review channel is so funny. Thank you for keeping me sane. Thank you for keeping me sane. I need to be doing these things. So anyway, okay, we're going to start with the buttermilk and maple one first. Serving size 1 cup, 220 calories, 4.5 grams of fat, 660 milligrams of sodium. That's basically like going like this. Okay. But we're going to go ahead anyway. Oh god, I wish this had some hash browns to come along with it. Total carbs, 42 grams. So not for the Atkins, people that are trying to do the Atkins diet. And 5 grams of protein. This one, the chocolate chip, a little heavier, 230 calories, so 10 more calories. 4.5 grams of fat, 630 sodiums, 42 grams of carbs, and 6. So this one, the chocolate chip's actually better for you. 6 proteins. It's actually, how many sugars does it say on here? Total sugars, 13 grams in the chocolate chip, and 13 grams in the buttermilk and maple. So we're going to start these. My nose is itching because I need to trim my beard. And my nose either itches when I trim my beard or I don't trim my beard. And everybody keeps on saying, don't touch your face. I have washed my hands. I've been in this house and I've washed my hands 5,000 times today. Okay, so here we go. In directions. It says try it with syrup. Damn it, can't we have nice things? I knew I needed syrup for this. I thought it would just come in there, a little packet or something. That would have been so sweet, wouldn't it? It would have been so sweet. Get it? Oh my god. Okay. Microwave directions. Remove sealed lid completely. Okay. Whew, it smells just like pancakes. Okay, I'm trying to like read it. Add water to fill line inside of pancake cup. For best results, use 1/4 cup water. Well, hey, guess what? I mean, if I'm drinking it, I can cook with it too. 1/4 cup water. I swear to God, I still have my mother's, look. I have my mother's ugly as sin measuring cups back in the day. I have the matching spoons too. Okay, so 1/4 cup water. I am such a good cook. Okay. Is that where the fill line is? Oh my god, it went right to the fill line. Stir with a fork, scraping sides and bottoms of cup until batter is consistently mixed together. Stir with a fork. Need a fork. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Oh, oh, oh. Don't you wish you were quarantined with me? You're like, no, you're crazy. I know, but I'm fun. My husband went out in the garage and he said, the next thing we're going to work on is this garage. I said, can we just wait 2 days for another project, please? Just 2 days, okay? I got some shows I'd like to watch. Ooh, delicious. Microwave on high for 1 minute and 10 seconds. Microwave. Get down on it. Get down on it. How you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up off the wall. Tell me. Did you ever want to be a ballerina? I did. Can you imagine me in a tutu? Come on. Get down. Get down. Oh, let's start the next one. We'll start the next one. I'm like, I ain't got nothing to do. We'll start the next one. Okay, remove seal completely. Same deal. Okay. Whew. Okay, this is exercise. I was going to take a walk, but this is better. Add water to fill line inside a pancake cup. For best results, use 1/4 cup water. I bet it's going to be the same directions, don't you? Okay. But Mom, I want to do the cup. Johnny got to do the measuring cup. Look, just shut up. We're in e-learning right now. Ah! Okay. Stir, stir, stir. This is what it looks like, in case you want to see. Look at that. What does it say after the microwave? Tip, for an optimal eating experience, enjoy with a fork. Caution, cup and contents will be hot. Okay, anyway. Ooh, there's some dry stuff on the bottom there. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it looks so good. Look, I cooked! I did! It's like pancake batter. Basically. See, it's not, you people that work at IHOP, it's not that difficult. Oh my Lord, look what it did! Oh my God, it got real big like a pancake! I live! Okay, let's put this one in here. Hold on. Does it say a minute and 10 seconds? You might have to do more for the chocolate chips. A minute and 10 seconds. How you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? Okay. Should we try this? Oh my God, I'm so excited. You guys, it looks just like a pancake. Do you see this? It rose to the top and everything. Oh, look. Can you see there are like little chips in there? Those must be like the maple chips. Oh my God. Look at this. Can you even see it? I don't know if you can see it. But there's like, can you see it? You can't see it. I'm being a beauty guru. There's like chips. And do you see the steam coming off of it? Oh my Lord. That's pretty good. I mean, it would be really good if it had syrup with it. Tastes dead up on a pancake. I mean, why wouldn't it, right? That's good. I mean, it would be really good if it had syrup in it. I don't have syrup, but I do have honey. I'm going to try a little bit with honey. And don't call me honey. And worse, don't call me sugar. And even worse, don't call me late to dinner. Are you ready for my stand-up? Okay. Anyway, that's my sit-down. Now with honey, that's a 5 out of 5. That is delicious. Mmm. Hot damn. I'm gonna take my glasses off now. I'm working at Starbucks. Okay. Oh, shoot. Let's knock the microwave over. This is what this one looks like. I wasn't as excited this time because I kind of expected it. You know what I mean? Oh, it smells like chocolate chip pancakes. Do you know I've only ever had chocolate chip pancakes one time before this? My friend Melissa took me to the original House of Pancakes because I'd never had blueberry pancakes. I've never had chocolate chip pancakes, and we got all kinds of pancakes. So this is only my second time. They both need syrup on them. This would probably be good with chocolate sauce, actually. Sauce. I love sauces and condiments. Do you love sauces and condiments? I love condiments. I love ketchup, mayonnaise. I don't like Miracle Whip. I think Miracle Whip's nasty. Anyway, but this is good. Mmm. You want to see what it looks like inside? Clean up as you go. I would give both of these a 5 out of 5. I think it's pretty cool. I don't know what I expected. I didn't really expect it to look like a pancake. I definitely will tell you that the buttermilk and maple flavor is 100 times better than the chocolate chip. The chocolate chip is good too. Like if you like chocolate chip pancakes, you'll love this. Oh wow, I'm really impressed. Okay. All right. 5 out of 5. I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Surprise!